baby. I'm on the town one. Do you know you're beautiful? Hey, when you smile, you bust my head.
I'm blushing.
Don't worry. I have a good surprise for you.
Really?
Yes.
What is it? Tell me.
Calm down, calm down.
Okay, I'm calm.
Yeah, close your eyes.
Close my eyes, okay?
Finish her!
What is it?
See, ladies, please, whenever they are engaging you, always open your eye. Open your eyes. This was supposed to be an engagement scene. It has gone wrong. Trust nobody. Real niggas stay scarce, abi? So please, ladies, if they are engaging you, always open your eyes. Anyanya. So please, a word is enough for the wise. If they are engaging you, open your eyes like open and close. Don't even close it. Open it down. A word is enough for the wise. Thank you.